How to fix Gemini not showing on Google Sheets. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Gemini not appearing in Google Sheets. So let's get started. First, you gotta open your Google Sheets and create a new blank spreadsheet. Once the sheet loads, look at the top right corner near the share button. You should see either the Ask Gemini button or the Gemini sparkle icon. If it's already there, Gemini is working correctly. If it's missing, continue with the next steps. So you're going to click your Google profile in the top right corner and check which Google account you're currently using. So you're going to make sure you're signed into an account that has access to Gemini features, such as a supported Google AI plan or an eligible Google Workspace subscription. If you're using the wrong account, switch to the correct one. If the account isn't listed, select Add Another Account and simply sign into the account. After switching accounts, reload Google Sheets and check whether the Gemini button appears. Next, verify that your subscription supports Gemini inside Google Sheets. Some plans include Gemini features, while basic or unsupported plans do not. If your current plan doesn't provide access, you'll need to upgrade or use a qualifying account. Another thing to check is your Google account language. So you gotta click on the three dots at the top right corner and click on Settings. And here you're gonna search for languages in the left side bar and make sure that your primary language is set to a supported option such as English. If you make any changes, save them before returning to Google Sheets. You should also confirm that Google services are operating normally. So you're going to visit Google service status page and check both Google Sheets and Gemini. If either service is experiencing issues, you'll need to wait until Google resolves the problem. And once you have completed these checks, go back to Google Sheets and refresh the page. Look again in the upper right corner. If everything is set up correctly, you should now see the Ask Gemini button or Gemini icon. Click it and Gemini panel should open on the right side of your spreadsheet. And if Gemini still doesn't appear, the most common cause is using an unsupported account or subscription. Switching to an eligible account usually resolves the issue.